Would you hike to a remote waterfall in the Angeles National Forest? Lewis Falls is a 50-foot waterfall in the San Gabriel Mountains located off Highway 39. This short 1.1-mile trail features 250 feet of elevation gain and guides you along the river as you make your way to the falls. On this trip, it had just finished raining, so the damp atmosphere and cloud cover created a beautifully ominous vibe reminiscent of Northern California hikes. When I finally made it to the waterfall, I was stunned by its beauty and the rugged surrounding landscape. This hike, known for its lush foliage, seclusion, and the final scramble through the creek bed to reach the waterfall, is the perfect summer adventure.